You're right there, so we're going to be doing a mini series on all things wild garlic. Garlic butter, pesto, kimchi, you name it, we're going to cover it. The first thing we've got to do, we're going to show you how to find it, forage it, and most importantly, the do's and don'ts. With that being said, let's go for a little walk in the sticks. It's not the best weather, but let's do it. Let's go. Okay, so you can find wild garlic pretty much anywhere near water, and also very ancient woodlands, which is what I'm in today. There is no water source near here, but there's plenty of garlic. Have a look. So to be fair, it's very versatile. You can make so much out of it. Garlic butter, compound butter, pesto, oils, seasoned salt, kimchi, preserve it, freeze the butter, make it last all through the year. You know, it's endless, seriously. Okay, so when you are picking your wild garlic, you do have to be very careful. In amongst the wild garlic, you can often get this arum lily, which is poisonous. So that is very similar to the garlic and can grow in amongst it, often does. So this is the arum lily, and that's the garlic. As you can see, they are very similar, but you've got the veins going off in all different angles on that. You've got the two earlobes. On the wild garlic, it just literally goes up straight, the veins, to a point. So that one you've really got to watch out for, because it's poisonous, it won't kill you, but if you eat it, it's going to cause you a whole world of trouble. Not good. Good. If in doubt, that's the way. Oh, I love it. I love garlic. The wild garlic grows on a stem on its own, so it's just on a stem by itself. You'll have the flowers amongst it, they're edible too, so we'll be putting them in as well. The other thing to point out is, obviously I'm on like a footpath here, and if dogs are walking along and have a wee at the side, so try and go in a bit, and also don't just take a whole load from one patch. Try and take a bit there, bit there, bit there. This is a really good spot. The other thing to point out is you must get permission from the landowner. All I can smell is garlic right now. It's raining, but who cares? Let's get picking some more garlic. Yeah, I love garlic. If you love garlic and you haven't come and got this, you need to come and get some. So when you're looking for the flower buds, every now and then you'll see them, they'll be up high, but most often they're underneath. So you have to go in, you see there. So there is a few things to point out. One, most importantly, you need permission off the owner, the landowner. Number two, if you're picking and you're on a footpath, if you're right next to the footpath, what do people do? Walk their dogs. What do dogs do? Yeah, don't be picking right on the edge. Bit of dog wee. Don't want that, do you? So, and obviously, like I say, there are poisonous plants in amongst. Happy foraging. Just get out there and get some. If you love garlic and you haven't done this before, you need to be out here. Come on. So I hope you liked the video. Remember, go cook something exceptional. I'll see you when I see you. Cheers.